What up, what up, what up? It's the Rage Occasion Blazing Nation coming at you with another repair video. We got a 2013 Lexus ES300. It's a hybrid right here. Yo, ain't nobody else got no video on doing the oil pressure switch. Like, ain't no video, not one. Not Scotty Kilmer, Eric the Car Guy, all these auto mods, you know what I'm saying, YouTube video makers. Ain't nobody got no video on the oil pressure switch on a Lexus ES300 hybrid. Except me. You subscribe to the wrong person, yo. If you ain't subscribed to my channel, you subscribe to the wrong people, man. Because I'm the only one that got this video right here. Anyway, it's too simple. It's right here, though. But look. So, looking at the motor. Here's your exhaust manifold. Here's your catalytic converter right there. That's where you add the oil. It's right here. All you do, pull this back, push on the tab right here. It's a 24mm socket. Just put that on, and then you're just gonna unscrew it. Make sure you don't over tighten it because you can mess it up. But and then a lot of times, you know, when you take it out, then a little bit of oil will come out. So just beware. But that's it. Oil pressure switch, oil pressure sensor, whatever you want to call it. That's it right there. Right there on the, it's right there on the cylinder head. Right there, right below where you add the oil, right up underneath this bracket. Then screw your new one in, tighten it down. Remember, not too tight. Don't break it. All right, it's a 2013 Lexus ES300, and this is a hybrid doing the oil pressure switch.